What?
What did you do? You're a monster!
How'd you know? And they're lifting your hips up towards the ceiling.
Okay, you're gonna get hurt.
Milo.
Oh no. Did you fix that?
He's never seen a man do the dishes in so long.
Oh my god, I love him so much.
Oh, I miss a good bath. Oh, I didn't miss a good bath. Oh.
She's happy for me. She's happy for... Look, she's happy.
Call USA Van Clinics to schedule your consultation before one of our
Ma, what up?
So you come here often?
My childhood.
Holy fuck. Will Milo. Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
It does not smell that bad, bro. You're tripping.
Oreo. What kind of cats like to bowl? Alley cats.
She's just having too much fun.
Tangled in that fucking thing.
Oh, you're so weird, Tiffy.
Play with her, Misty. There you go. He's hitching a ride on Sebastian. He's like, get off.
Nej, jag tror inte heller.
She got all of them on.
Pretty.
Happy for me. She's happy for... Look, she's happy.
Turn around. Okay.
Are you giving her a haircut? Don't you dare do that.
She hates that.
What is happening?
God made a mistake giving me a cute little mischievous face.
Oops. You're wide awake. Okay, get her out, baby.
Then,
Carl. It's okay. Hey! Oh my Jesus! Am I interrupting something, Mittens?
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
she got all of them on.
Pretty.
Happy for me. She's happy for look, she's happy.
Turn around. Okay.
Are you giving her a haircut? Don't you dare do that.
She hates that.
What is happening?
God made a mistake giving me a cute little mischievous face.
Oops. You're wide awake. Okay, get her out, baby.
Who made this mess in the fridge?